Hi, it's Krista and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick pretty little thing haul of the stuff that I got while they're having a 50% off sale. Also, today is my birthday, so everybody leave a comment down below of happy birthday and thumbs up this video. Okay, so I have all my clothes right here on a little clothing rack. I got this from Walmart. If you guys want to link to it, I'll link that down below too. I'm gonna link everything that I got in the description box if anyone wants to check any of these things out. So I'm just pulling up the email so that I can see how much everything was. This is the first pair. They have a pointed toe, a little loop over your toe, and then 3 straps on the top of the foot. Also, they have this super cute gold skinny heel. These are insane. They're so cute. Hold on. Well, let me tell you how much they were. I forgot. Oh yeah, these were $20. These are white chain front point toe mules. These were on sale for $14. They have a little like chain detailing down the front that kind of looks like a corset. They have a pointy toe, decent size heel. These say that they are white. They may look white on camera, I'm not sure, but in person they are slightly cream. So if you want them to be like stark white, just know that that's not what you're getting. But I think either way, they're so cute. Like, I could put these on right now with these little ripped up jeans, and this would be super cute. Okay, the first thing I'm going to start with is this swimsuit. I'm not gonna try this on because I don't want to get flagged on YouTube or whatever. But this swimsuit, the top and the bottom, is $38. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like on the model. It's hard to tell here. You can just see it has these gold detailing on the side of the bottoms. And it also has that same detail right here in the middle of the top. It's kind of like a... I didn't even remember what it looked like. You'll see on the picture. It's kind of like a crisscross top. That's why the... top strings are long. They're long and it kind of like ties up around your neck. This is super cute. I think I got everything in a size 10. If I didn't get it in a size 10, I'll tell you otherwise, but this is a US size 10. Okay, the next thing is these pants. These are called, I forgot to tell you what that bathing suit was called, but I'll put it on the screen. These are Vintage Wash Distressed Disco. These are in a size 10 as well. From the looks of them, I think I wish I would have gotten a size bigger, but they are really, really stretchy, as you can see. Let me look and see how much these were. These were $55. Also, everything was 50% off. They have 50% off going on right now, probably because of the quarantine thing. They want people to shop online. But these pants, I don't know, they looked cuter on the model. We'll see how they look whenever I try them on. They're super stretchy though, which I'm happy about, which is why I'm always afraid of buying jeans online, because I don't know if they're gonna fit, because I like to have stretch in the jeans. They have just some basic little distressing. They're like a light blue wash. These will go cute with pretty much anything, and they are a skinny fit. Okay, so here are the jeans. They are insanely stretchy. They were like small with a really long crotch, so I was kind of afraid of how they were gonna look. Also, they don't have belt loops, so they have like a smaller waistband. But so far I like them. I put them on with the white bodysuit and the white heels. I don't know if you guys can even see the shoes, but I think so. They fit really good. The pockets are a little high, but other than that, I think they fit really good. I like the color and the wash. And one problem that I always have with skinny jeans is, because I'm a little thicker, you know, is the ankles will always be like wider, and I hate that. So these actually have a really skinny ankle, so these pants are 10 out of 10. The next thing I got is this one shoulder scuba bodysuit. So it looks like this. I didn't know that it was gonna have like the line. There's a seam right here, If you guys can see where it's like the shirt meets the underwear basically. But this is just a super cute, simple bodysuit, one shoulder. It's super stretchy. It does appear to be a little short, and I'm tall, so I like to have things that have a longer torso, but we'll see how it goes. Also, it has a regular 3-snap crotch. And this bodysuit was on sale for $11. Okay, so this is the white bodysuit. Honestly, I didn't realize that it had like this little knot detail, so I guess that's why it has that seam where the kind of bottom starts. But I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but in person I can tell it is a little bit see-through. Also, I have on a light pink bra. I should have put on a nude strapless bra, but I don't know where mine is. But so far, this is cute. I like it. I just, being taller, I have a problem with bodysuits because they're really not long enough. So if this was just a little bit longer, because I feel like this side, it holds up because of the strap, and it pulls this side up. But this side, because it's strapless, it just kind of, like whenever I first put it on, it was like down here. And I had to like literally pull it up out of like the pants and kind of like, you know, pull it up a little. And that's not really comfortable. Because it is a thong, it's not super uncomfortable. But I just wish that it was just slightly longer. But I can't really complain about that because the top is actually really cute. Okay, the next thing I got is this sleeveless bodysuit. It says rib raw sleeveless bodysuit. It has a V cut in the front here. It's a pretty sheer material, but it's ribbed and it's really stretchy. This bodysuit looks a lot longer than the other one. Also has a snap and is a thong in the back. This is super cute, just simple bodysuit. Also, I got this in a US size 10 as well. And this was on sale for $7. I got some of the stuff out of the sale section, which the 50% off doesn't apply to, but it was only $7. So it was already more than 50% off anyways. Okay, so here is the black bodysuit. I paired these up with some black like coated jeans. They have like a snakeskin type of print that I also got from Pretty Little Thing. If I find these on there still, I will link them down below. I'm not sure if they have them, but I know that they do have some other like black leather type of jeans. These are super stretchy though, and they fit really good. But the bodysuit is basically what we're here to talk about. So the bodysuit is super cute. You need to be aware because this right here will rip lower. It has a super low V as it is, but I can already tell that it's kind of starting to pull a little bit because like I said, the bodysuit is a little short for me. I wish it was a little bit longer. He will not stop whining. This has been the most challenging thing trying to film this video because Cord is home and he's like talking on the phone super loud, and then Nipsey is like running in the shot and laying literally right in front of me. Bodysuit once again is a little short on my torso. I wish that it was a little longer. It is super stretchy though. It feels really good. I'm not sure if I got just like a size up it would help on the length, but I don't want it to be too big like through here either, which is why I didn't size up. I just kept with my regular size, a size 10. I give this bodysuit a 10 out of 10 too. I really like this one. It's super cute, and it has like just a normal back so that you can wear a regular bra with it, which is what I have on. It is slightly see-through though, like if you hold it up to the light, so I would wear a black bra, which is what I have on right now. Okay, so the next thing actually came in a set together. It's a 2-pack of biker shorts. These are called Black and Gray Basic Cycle Short 2-pack. So super simple. These were $18 for both of them, and then also it was 50% off. So they're a little bit sheer. I can tell just by holding them up, but they're stretchy, and these are good for whatever. I'm probably just gonna wear these around the house or just like running places in the summer whenever it warms up a little bit. But for 2 pair for $9 actually, that's really cheap. Okay, so next up is the biker shorts. I hope you guys can see the bottoms there. They come a little bit above the knee, but I hope you guys can see because I have adjusted this camera probably every single outfit. I'm trying to figure out the best camera angles for a try on haul because I'm not sure if you guys like this. I feel like I'm far away, but also I feel like I'm not sure if you can see all the clothes. My light is bright. It's hard to tell on the little screen. I should have connected it to my phone so I could look, but I just didn't do that today. Anyways, okay, the biker shorts. These are a crazy steal for 2 pair for $9. I think is what I got them for because they were 50% off. These are super cute. Just a staple that everyone needs in their wardrobe. They are super stretchy. I do think that they are a little bit see-through, so I would be cautious if you're gonna wear these out. But I would pair these up, like I said, with oversized t-shirt, probably some Vans. I'm just saying this because they're right here in the floor. And that would be like my little runaround outfit, or just in the house, just being cozy because they're super stretchy. These also are high-waisted. They're like basically leggings but better. The gray ones I think are a little bit tighter. I don't know if I said that, but I think the gray ones are a little bit tighter, but either way they both get a 10 out of 10. Okay, the next thing I got was this gray mesh snake print ruched bodycon dress. This is really cute. This was on sale for $16. It has a cowl neck and also has a little ruching on the side where you can pull the string and make it shorter if you want. Looks like this is gonna fit really well. I really like this one. Okay, next up, the snakeskin dress. This dress is really stretchy. I actually pulled it up, which normally I would put it over my head, but it's super stretchy. I wouldn't wear this bra with this because you can see it, so from the looks of it, I would just go with no bra with this outfit. But this dress is super cute. It's so cute. It has this ruching detail right here, which is flattering on the like lower stomach area and the hips. It has this tie. You can make it shorter in the front. I give this an 8 out of 10 because I think the top is a little ill-fitting as far as like, I just don't think it gives enough coverage on the sides here. Actually, let me go off camera and take off the bra and come back and I'll see. Okay, yeah, so with this I would just not wear a bra. It is a little low cut here. The cowl neck is a little extreme, but I don't feel like it's too much, you know? So overall I like this one. I think it's really cute. I think it's cute, and this is how I'd wear it. I wish that the straps were adjustable. They're not. They don't have adjustables on the straps, so if you have a smaller chest, I don't know. I mean, you could probably just go, well, I don't know. You may be able to like just pull it down in the back and get away with the straps, but I feel like if you have a smaller chest, the straps are going to be loose on you, and they may even fall because they're a little loose on me, and you know, I have enough. So this dress, yeah, I give this dress 9 out of 10 just because there are minor improvements that could have been made, but the overall like look and everything I think is so cute. I'm gonna be wearing this, so whenever I'm on Instagram in this, you guys better act like you've never seen it before and double tap. Okay, this next dress was $14. This is called the Lilac Porcelain Print Bardo V-Bar Cowl Bodycon Dress. That is such a mouthful. So the print is super cute. It's like has flowers and like this little house type of thingy on there. This is really cute. Honestly, I got this in a size 10, but this looks really big. So I don't know, but watch me say it looks really big and then it actually fits. It actually goes off of the shoulder like this. That's just kind of how I had it hanging. And then it has a V right here that has a little wire to hold the shape. So I'm really excited about this dress, if as long as it fits. I think this is really cute. Here I was all, oh, this dress looks so big. Bitch, you are so big. No, the quarantine 15 is hitting me hard, okay? So here is the purple dress. This one is really cute. I don't know how I feel about the shoulders. Like, if they are stretchy and you can move around, but obviously then the top gets to moving. I've also paired these with the white shoes. So this dress is super stretchy. Like, it fits. Like, it's like a thick material that holds you in, and it fits good. You could even, like, if you have a smaller chest or you're like in between sizes, I would size down on this one because it's super stretchy and it has a good length. It's like fingertip length and it goes past my nails, so has a good length so that you could wear this like to a wedding, or for me, I'm a little bigger chested, so I don't know, it's a little bit revealing here, but other than that, it's so cute. I love this one. I'm just not sure how I feel about the sleeves because it's not like really functional. Like if I raise my arms up, then this flies up and it like looks weird. But if you're just like gonna be like sitting cute, you know, this is a piece. This is it. So this one, yeah, this one can have 10 out of 10. It's not my favorite, but as far as like material and quality, 10 out of 10. I love this one. Okay, this is the last clothing item I got. This is called Blush Satin Contrast Fitted Long Line Blazer, also in a US size 10. This is just a long blazer. I'm thinking you may be able to get away with this as a blazer dress if you wear like some shorts underneath, just in case, because it looks a little short. It has satin detailing. This is so cute. Also has, no, I mean it has minimal stretch, but I would say get your regular size on this because it's not going to stretch much like the other things. But this is so cute. It has so much satin detail, and you can see like the two-tone where the satin is on the side. Okay guys, so we made it to the last piece. I'm pretty sure I saved the best one for last. This blazer, I put on the biker shorts because I'm about to get comfy after this, but this blazer is like, this is everything. Okay, it has the satin mixed with the chiffon kind of material. It has a good enough stretch to where your shoulders don't feel like compacted and you don't feel restricted, because I have a problem with blazers because I have obviously a bigger chest that, you know, you can feel restricted, especially throughout this area where these seams meet. And this one does not do that. It feels so good. It fits really nicely. This is like, obviously you can put a nice shirt underneath of here, and this is going to be like businesswoman, like I'm on my shit, I'm on my grind. Or you could wear how I would probably wear it, which is like this, or maybe even some type of lace bodysuit underneath with some jeans, some heels, dress it up that way. And like, this is like calling my name. I wish that I got to do something for my birthday, because I would probably wear this to dinner or maybe even like to a little brunch for my birthday. This is so cute. I can just picture me like sipping a mimosa right now. Okay guys, so that is everything that I got. I just threw on those gray biker shorts with that same t-shirt just to get comfortable. So I'm probably about to edit this video. Filming try-on hauls are a lot more work than I thought, so kudos to everybody who's like been filming try-on hauls for like ever, and you film them all the time, because that's a lot of work. Okay girl? So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel. I don't know which side it's on, but you guys can find it. I think that's it. I hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for hanging out with me on my birthday because I couldn't really do anything thanks to Corona.